You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 12,473,525. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 9 plus 7 plus 9, equals 25. Carry 2 to the tens place. 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, equals 12. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 2, equals 5. 2 plus 1, equals 3. Write 7 in the 10,000s place. Write 4 in the 100,000s place. Write 2 in the millions place. Write 1 in the 10 millions place. And so the final result is 12,473,525.